welcome to Speaking Above Mediocrity. This is Latrina Johnson, and today I want to address yes, you can. Yes, you can overcome any obstacle or challenge that may lay at your feet. Yes, you can become all that God has created you to be. You are victorious before you even begin. There's no such thing as defeat in your life. You were created to succeed. You were created to win. You just have to believe, yes, you can. You are a moving spirit, a force to be reckoned with, an unstoppable manifestation of the greatness that lie within. You are courageous and bold, a mover and a shaker, a world changer, a life illuminator, making a change in life for those that came before you, and making a change in life for those to follow you. Yes, you can have that dream if only you believe. The sky is the limit. Yes, you can. I am a supporter of our President-elect, Barack Obama. From the fields of slavery to the rise to the White House, yes, you can. No more excuses now. 08 is the year of new beginnings. God is positioning you for great things to give birth in the year of 09. Yes, you can if only you believe. Anything you put your mind to, you can achieve it. You can have that dream, that American dream. You can have anything you put your mind to. Yes, you can. I believe in you. Again, thank you for tuning in to Speaking Above Mediocrity. I am Latrina Johnson. If you would like to make your next event a total success, contact me to be a keynote speaker at my website, LatrinaLJohnson.web.com, or go to my MySpace page, and that's myspace.com/LatrinaLJohnson. Remember, yes, you can. Have a great day. God bless. Bye-bye.